गुरुजी नमस्कार मोर फाइनाइट नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब डाउट अछि
Okay, finite, non-finite verb. Let's discuss. Finite and non-finite verbs. Finite and non-finite verbs. Finite and non-finite. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. The word that shows an action is called a verb. And here finite, non-finite. The verb that carries tense is called finite. The verb that doesn't carry is non-finite. कालको धारण करुवा क्रिया को कालुआ काल को धारण न करुवा आ कालुआ ना फाइनाइट नॉन फाइनाइट समापिका असमापिका काल को धारण करुवा क्रिया को समापिका क्रिया कहती फाइनाइट वर्ब काल को धारण कर क्रिया को नॉन फाइनाइट बा असमापिका क्रिया कहती क्लियर ताल कौन हो देख दे आर प्लेइंग नाउ सी दे आर प्लेइंग नाउ व्हिच इज ए फाइनाइट वर्ब. The verb that shows tense is called finite verb. This shows tense, finite verb. आर हमको कौची वाक्यटा होची प्रेजेंट टेंस रची. The verb that carries tense is called finite verb. We have built a temple. We have built a temple here. Have is the finite verb because it shows tense. The verb that shows tense or carries tense is called finite verb. With the change of which the tense changes is called finite verb. जो क्रियार परिवर्तन रे वाक्यर कालर परिवर्तन हुए ताको फाइनाइट वर्ब कहती. सपोज हम कर दबा एटा चेंज कर दबा जस्ट पास्ट कर दबा देखो दे वे आर प्लेइंग देन वी हैड built a temple. We had built a temple here. They were playing then. Which is finite verb? Where is finite verb? Had is finite verb. Sete have thala had hala, are thala where hala. The verb that changes with the change of the tense is called finite verb also, or the verb that carries tense is called finite verb. The first verb in the verb phrase is the finite verb. Prathama kriya, kriya padar first kriya, the first verb always carries tense. And the verb that doesn't change with the change of the tense जो जे चेंज होची से होची फाइनाइट जे चेंज होनी से नॉन फाइनाइट इट देखो चेंज हलानी के चेंज हलानी प्लेइंग चेंज हलानी हला की हलानी एठी देखो सही प्लेइंग समान प्लेइंग एठी देखो सही बिल्ट ताले एटा कोन व्हाट इज दिस इज नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब the verb that changes with the change of the tense is called finite verb. That doesn't change is called non-finite verb. ताले कौन होची ना जो काल वाक्यर कालर परिवर्तन ने जो क्रिया वाक्यर कालर परिवर्तन ने परिवर्तित हुए ता होची फाइनाइट वर्ब. जो क्रिया वाक्यर कालर परिवर्तन ने अपरिवर्तित हुए ता होची non-finite verb. Clear? And remember the first item in the verb group, the first verb is always the finite verb. Finite verb is always the first. कौन होची ना the first verb is the finite verb and the rest are the non-finite verbs. Suppose she must have been waiting for you. She must have been waiting for you. How many verbs are there in the verb phrase? How many verbs? 1, 2, 3, 4 verbs. And the first verb is the finite verb. Must is the finite verb. The others are non-finite. Clear? The verb which shows tense is called the finite verb. Others are non-finite verbs. I will have been working with you. See, I will have been working with you. Will have been working. First verb, this is the finite verb. These are all non-finite verb. If there is more than one verb in a verb phrase, kriya padare ekadhika kriya thile, the first verb is the finite verb. And if there is only one verb in the verb phrase, it is always the finite verb. He came here. They work hard. She sings beautifully. See what happens here. We have only one verb. if there is only one verb in a verb phrase, if there is only one verb, it's always the finite verb. Finite, finite, FB, 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 we don't have any non-finite verb. आउ तो नहीं है गुड जदि गोटे अच्छी ताल फाइनाइट वर्ब जदि एकाधिक अच्छी एकाधिक अच्छी गोटे क्रियापद फास्ट हूँ फाइनाइट वर्ब अदर्स आर नॉन फाइनाइट आउ पुणी कौन कथा पिला गोटे वाक्य कौन गोटे फाइनाइट वर्ब रही ना एकाधिक भी रही पारे वी मे हैव ए सेंटेंस विथ मोर देन वन वर्ब फ्रेज जदि एक वाक्य एकाधिक क्रियापद रहती एवं प्रत्येक पदरे एकाधिक क्रिया थांती ताहले सेही क्रियापदर प्रत्येक पद गुड़िक फाइनाइट वर्ब अदर्स आर नॉन फाइनाइट सो इफ देयर इज मोर देन वन वर्ब इन ए वर्ब फ्रेज and more than one verb in each phrase, the first verbs of each phrase is finite, others are non-finite. Clear? Suppose when I was playing, she was reading. See, how many verb phrases? Was playing, was reading. Here the first verb ekadhika kriyapada achi. Was finite, FB, FB, non-FB, non-finite verb, बुझी होची ना नहीं देखो एकाधिक क्रियापद थले ताले इटी कौन होला एकाधिक फाइनाइट वर्ब अच्छी एकाधिक नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब भी अच्छी इफ देयर इज मोर देन वन वर्ब फ्रेज बट वन इन ईच फ्रेज दे आर ऑल फाइनाइट वर्ब्स जदि वाक्य रे एकाधिक वाक्य रे जदि एकाधिक क्रियापद थांती एवं प्रत्येक पद रे गोटे गोटे क्रिया थांती then all are main verb, all are finite verbs. Suppose he came here, talked with me, and went away. See, went, talked, came. How many verb phrases are there? We have 3 verb phrases, but one in each phrase. 3टा क्रियापद अच्छी प्रत्येक पदरे गोटे गोटे क्रिया अच्छी ताले दे आर ऑल फाइनाइट वर्ब्स FB, FB, FB. Clear? If there is कौन होची ना जदि वाक्य रे गोटे क्रियापद अच्छी ताले प्रथम से क्रियापदर प्रथम क्रिया होची फाइनाइट आउ सब नॉन फाइनाइट जदि वाक्य रे एकाधिक क्रियापद अच्छी and there are more than one verb in each verb phrase ताले कौन होची the first verb of each phrase finite others are non finite तापरे if there is more than one verb phrase in a sentence but one in each phrase एकाधिक क्रियापद थांती प्रत्येक पदरे गोटे गोटे क्रिया थांती the first verb sorry they are all finite verbs example is here clear then let's know non finite verb forms let's know how many non finite verb forms are there let's discuss non finite verb forms non finite verb forms okay let's know suppose she is writing now we know that is finite verb writing non finite yes or no they are dancing on the stage see they are dancing on the stage are is finite dancing non finite yes or no dancing non finite then we came to know that verb in ing form is always non finite we got one ing verb in ing form is non finite क्रिया जतबले ing form रे थिबो सेतल non finite verb in ing form doesn't carry tense we got it तापरे गोटे पाइला में we got one form non finite verb form then I want to buy a book I want to buy a book which is finite want is finite to buy non finite इटी देखले कौन 2 plus verb to infinitive is non finite one more example she likes to change her residence She likes to change her residence. See, likes is finite verb. To change non-finite. Clear? তাহলে out form আমি পাইলি কোন? We got the second form, to plus verb, which we call to infinitive. To infinitive. To infinitive. मन ভিতরে প্রশ্ন হউনি What is infinitive? What is infinitive? হউছি না নাই প্রশ্ন? What is infinitive? What is infinitive? Infinitive is the original form of the verb. Infinitive is the base form of the verb. Infinitive is the original or base form of the verb. Okay, for example, go, come, run, move, jump, etc. क्रियार मूल रूप द बेस फॉर्म नो इनफ्लेक्शन किछि लागिनी वर्ब रे किछि लागिनी द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इज इंफिनिटिव क्लियर टू इंफिनिटिव टू प्लस ओरिजिनल फॉर्म टू इंफिनिटिव टू प्लस वर्ब इज कॉल्ड टू इंफिनिटिव yes or no टू प्लस वर्ब टू इंफिनिटिव टू गो टू प्ले टू डांस टू सिंग टू स्विम टू फ्लाई to dance, to plus verb होची to infinitive clear to plus original form of the verb base form to plays हेई परिबनी to dancing हेई परिबनी to goes हेई परिबनी to walked हेई परिबनी clear understand now we got two forms one is ing another is to infinitive means verb in to infinite form is non finite आमे देखिले क्रिया ing रूपरे नॉन फाइनाइट क्रिया टू इनफिनिट रे नॉन फाइनाइट क्लियर देन व्हाट आई हैव रिटन a story have is finite written non finite she has worked hard I am taking very simple example so that you can understand see she has worked hard has finite worked non-finite it कौन जानला en form we call it en form number 3 is en form यानी v3 तृतीय रूप en form doesn't means that verb ending in en देखो written ने en अच्छी worked रे ed अच्छी इटी worked टा भी en form इटी written टा en form means verb 3 verb ing is non-finite verb to infinitive non-finite form en form non-finite form clear then one more non-finite form she made me dance he helped me get a job we heard her sing a song see what is this made me dance made is finite helped finite hard finite here dance get sing non finite देखा उस पिला she made me dance made finite dance non finite help finite get non finite hard finite sing non finite so what is this we call it what bare infinitive we call it what bare infinitive तमे जानी छ infinitive कोन मो जस्ट टिके पूर्व कहली infinitive कोन bare infinitive कोन the only infinitive bare infinitive means the original form bare infinitive means native is equal to the base form किछि लागि न थबो the original form of the verb is called bare infinitive so we have actually after some verbs like let make help sheep let verbs like let make help see watch feel hear have notice etc so after these verbs we have bare infinitives usually after these verbs we use bare infinitives Verbs like let, make, help, see, watch, feel, hear, have, notice. After these verbs, we use bare infinitive. Okay, we got now 4 non-finite verb forms. One is ing, one is to infinitive, one is en form, one is bare infinitive. Have you any doubt? If you have any doubt, then write in the comment. I will try my best to explain in the next class. Okay, God bless you.